Hi there, my beautiful and handsome friends. Welcome to our channel, the only place where learning English feels like you're sipping coffee with your funniest friend. I'm Emma, your teacher, your guide, your emotional support language coach, and probably your new favorite voice on YouTube. Today, we're doing something very special. We're going to unlock the top 10 most common English verbs. Why? Because these are the verbs that keep conversations alive. These verbs are your survival tools. They are the bread, butter, and the overpriced avocado of English grammar. Without these verbs, you can't speak. You can't flirt. You can't complain. You can't lie about going to the gym. So yes, they're pretty important. Now, before we dive in, grab your tea, your coffee, or if you're a real hero, hot chocolate with marshmallows. Sit back, relax your shoulders, and just listen. That's all you need to do. And one more thing. Make sure you open the subtitles of this video. Yes, do it now. You can turn on subtitles in your own language, too. That way, when I say, you won't think I'm talking about a sandwich. Smart, right? All right, let's get into it. Imagine English is like fashion. Some verbs are like little black dresses. They go with everything. You see them everywhere, and everyone uses them. So today, I'm giving you a secret survival guide with the 10 most used, most repeated, most basic, and most beautiful verbs in the English language. And believe me, you already know half of them. You just don't know that you know. But don't worry, I'll fix that. Let's start with the queen of all verbs, to be. Yes, am, is, are. The drama queens of English grammar. I am happy. You are tired. She is late. Again, like always. Now, people always say things like, he are tired, or I is happy. No, stop. That's like wearing socks with heels. Technically possible, but emotionally damaging. Let's fix it. I am, you are, he is, she is, we are, they are. One more time. I am, you are, he is, she is, we are, they are. Got it? Good. You're already better than 80% of fictional people in bad romance movies. Now, let's talk about to have. This verb is a gift, literally. You have things, you have ideas, you have a cat. You have no clue what I'm saying, maybe. I have a sister. She has a dog. He has a very annoying ringtone. People mess this up all the time. They say, she have a car. No, it's she has a car. The S is important. Without the S, she just has a scooter. Probably. Let's do it together. I have, you have, he has, she has, we have, they have. Boom! You've got it. Moving on to do. I do yoga. You do your homework. He does the laundry. But does he do it right? Probably not. Here's the thing, we love do. We use it for questions. Do you like pizza? Yes. Do you speak English? Obviously. Does he text you back? Never. Do is your best friend, especially when no one else is around. Say it with me. I do, you do, he does, she does, we do, they do. Again and again, until your brain says, oh wow, this is easy. Next up is to go. This one is exciting. I go to work. She goes to the gym. They go to Paris. You go crazy. He goes to therapy. Again, People forget the S. She go to school. No, no, no. It's she goes. Add the S. Respect the S. Embrace the S. I go. You go. He goes. She goes. We go. They go. And now you go. Go practice. Let's keep going with to say. I say hello. She says goodbye. You say nothing, but your eyes say everything. Classic. He says, I'll call you, and never does. Again, we need that little S. I say, you say, he says, she says, we say, they say. Say it loud, say it proud, even say it sarcastically. Now, we enter the fast lane with to make. I make tea. You make plans. She makes drama. We all know someone who makes drama. To take is next. I take a break. He takes his time. She takes everything personally. Ooh, this one is powerful. I get it. You get coffee. He gets mad. They get rich. Some get nothing. Life is hard. But hey, you get this lesson, and that's something. Let's look at to think. I think too much. You think about food. She thinks she's right. And she probably is. Finally, to know. I know you. You know me. He knows nothing like Jon Snow. Now, let's take a moment. Look around. What do you have? What do you think? What do you do? What do you know? Say it out loud. Talk to yourself. Yes, right now. Don't worry, people talk to their cats all day. This is more educational. Now, let me give you a little tongue twister, just to spice things up. Ready? She says she sees 7 shiny shoes. Try that 5 times. Fast. Go. Again. No cheating. Sound like a mess? Good. That means it's working. All right, here are some common mistakes that make my grammar soul cry. People say, he go to school. No, it's he goes to school. She have a cat. Nope, it's she has a cat. I says hello. No, 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 it's I say hello. Please protect the grammar. The grammar protects you. Now, let's recap. What did we learn today? 10 powerful, sexy, magical, everyday verbs. Be, have, do, go, say, make, take, get, think, and know. We practiced, we laughed, and we made fun of fictional people. That's called education. Learn 10 verbs a day. Survive anything. Want to sound fluent? You need more. Want to survive awkward small talk in English? This is enough. Say, I am fine. I have a cat. I go to work. I think coffee is life. And boom! You're fluent in basic survival English. Watch this video one more time. Tomorrow. Not next year, not when Mercury is in retrograde, because repetition is the key. Say it with me. Repetition is the key. Like skincare, like going to the gym, like watching your favorite show 10 times and pretending it's for the plot. Now listen, you're doing amazing. You sat through this video. You learned, you practiced, you didn't even cry. Probably. You're not just learning English, you're becoming a confident, fluent, fabulous speaker. You are everything Duolingo dreams about at night. Your next step, keep talking to yourself. No shame. Say, I have coffee. Say, I go to bed. Say, I get tired of people. Say anything you want. Say it all. Speak it. even if your cat is the only one listening. Now tell me in the comments, which verbs do you already use? Can you write 3 sentences using get, go, or say? Can you come up with something weird and fun? And if you have a friend who's struggling with English, send them this video. Not because they asked, but because they need it. I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore more weird, useful, and slightly ridiculous parts of English. Trust me, you'll love it. And of course, don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Or else I'll say he go to school in every future video and drive the grammar police insane. See you next time, my beautiful and also handsome friends. Bye-bye for now.